everyone, I'm Maria.
And I'm Hannah.
We are two UVA dietetic interns, and we're so excited that you decided to join us for our cooking demo today. We will be preparing a rice pilaf dish with a shredded rotisserie chicken. Let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, so we have already gone ahead and washed our hands. Make sure you do that before you prep any food. We've also washed and chopped all of our veggies. Okay, so for our vegetables, we have carrots, we have onions, celery, peppers, and then we've also added some zucchini and squash just for some extra flavor. It's really nice because you can customize this recipe with any type of vegetable that you like. And then we're just going to add some butter. And then next, you just put it in the microwave.
Alright, so once everything's combined, go ahead, easily pop it in. And we are going to put it in the microwave for 2 to 4 minutes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, set it on your table, and we are now going to add the rice and bouillon broth.
Yes, so the bouillon broth is a bouillon cube, which you can get at the grocery store, and some warm water. So we've already made that ahead of time. So we're going to pour that in. And then your rice. Then you just want to give it a good stir, get it all mixed around. And then you're going to put it back in the microwave for 7 to 10 minutes so that rice can get cooked. While your rice is cooking in the microwave, this is the perfect time to shred your chicken.
Alright, so the next step in our recipe is to go ahead and debone our rotisserie chicken. Now you can find a rotisserie chicken easily at any grocery store. Alright, so you can either use a regular knife or a fork. So if you have a plastic knife or a plastic fork, they'll do just fine. Alright, so go ahead and loosen this part right here, cut through it. It's very easy. And then next we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut down the back into the middle. You can pull the drumsticks off and place those off to the side. You can eat them for later lunch or dinner. And then do the same for the wings. And you'll just kind of pop it off at the joints. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and take the breast off. So it comes off fairly easily. And we'll just slide. Right here you can see that this is where the breastbone is. And just kind of run your finger along there. Kind of messy, but that's okay. And go ahead and take the skin off. And do the exact same thing for the other side. And it doesn't have to look pretty because we're going to end up shredding it anyway. And try to get as much meat as you can off. It's delicious. And then once you've taken everything off, you can go ahead and we're just going to place it off to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start shredding our chicken. So it's a little easier with 2 forks. So kind of just stick it in the chicken breast and start shredding it along the grain. And once it's shredded, for the next step. Alright, so the rice is done in the microwave. Make sure you have an oven mitt. Take it out, it's still hot.
Alright, that looks beautiful. So we're just going to give it a good stir. Make sure it's all mixed evenly. And then we're going to plate it. So just scoop out as much as you want. And then you're just going to take the chicken that you shredded and put that on top. And then you have a beautiful dinner.
Alright, now the best part, we're going to take a little taste test. Delicious. Now you have a balanced, affordable, nutritious meal.